Welcome back to another video. It's the same day and we're doing the same thing with the same truck. We are going to, I'm not telling you yet until you see this.
Hey, what's up? This is a chair and that's a truck. And this is a chair in a truck. That's what we're doing today. Okay, how's she doing? We might need another ratchet strap. We just gotta be extra safe with this one because Caleb's gonna be riding in the back today.
Yeah! I'm actually kind of scared. But no, I'm not.
I think we got one.
Yeah?
Yeah, we got one.
Okay.
Okay. She literally just reaches. You know it's gonna go well now.
Should I wear a helmet?
Yeah. All right, you go get a helmet. I'm getting another ratchet strap for you for a seatbelt. Or should, nah. Would that be a little bit more dangerous?
Nah.
You ready?
Yeah.
I'm gonna like do a drift.
Oh shoot.
You're not gonna go flying.
I'm not gonna go flying.
All right, let's go.
Yeah! Wait, you can't even see out the back though. That's fine.
I did not try to do that.
Woo! Good. Yeah! Oh, hi. Just a dude in a chair. Yeah! Whoa. Where are you going? Oh, turn around. Onwards! Whoop, 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 whoop. Yum, yum! I'm not even holding on! Clean! Clean! Yeah! Woo! Why? Man, I got some stories for school tomorrow, mate. Come on. The chair's tipping. See, this is very tight. Good. Yeah.
Okay, let's go home. Someone's probably gotten our plates already. We gotta go home and hide.
Yeah. No, don't throw it. No.
We're good.
So, thanks for watching. I hope you had a good time. Bye-bye.